They're playing Scrabble. I played at the beginning, but I didn't want to keep it up because I was babysitting Anna. And she was getting sleepy. Jennifer's showing Beverly words.
It's a whip. Yes, it is. It's a horse
Well, I
whip.
wouldn't have known that.
Beverly doesn't need any help. She's already winning.
Mom, quirt
What?
is a word, isn't it? Q-U-I-R-T. It's like a
Uh-huh.
whip.
It's in the Scrabble dictionary.
Yes, I rule.
So what you're not playing. I have no idea. I just.
It's so.
I don't care. I
It's
got
for
zero.
horses.
And I
It's
still
to,
won.
it's to
Zero.
like coach your horse to move.
You
That's
have
what
an
it is.
S, you can get dinkies and squirt.
You live close to it.
I live in Ohio.
Because that's when country music actually began. Without that event, and there has not even been any country music or bluegrass music. It's very important. And they're celebrating
Go up there
this
just
year, the 75th
camping or whatever. Go up there.
You know, when Pauline was little, you know, I'd give her stuff in her right hand, she'd go right back to her left with it, just like I did.
Oh, scary stuff. That'll break your cane.